Hey guys, good day. Quick tutorial for this kind of building that has a triangle design on its top panel. Okay, so first let's draw the top air whole building. Okay guys, so when drawing your triangle, it should be the last. It should be your final priority. So first you need to capture the ridge. When capturing the ridge, you need to capture this as a whole. Okay, so you can ignore the triangle for now. Okay, capture the ridge and start your drawing process. And like so. So after you draw your panel, guys, we need to make sure that this area or the side panels are aligned with our base of the building. So we need to group and then use the autofix before drawing our triangle. Okay, so how to draw our triangle, guys? So we just need to use or utilize our assist line. Okay, so where the we use our assist line to where the triangle starts from here, like so, and then we draw an assist line from here also. So guys, this will serve as a guide to where we are supposed to cut. So we will use the cut tool, okay? So T up to here, delete, and then so we just repeat the pattern, cut, and then cut, like so. And then we just cover it up using S tool. Okay, so if we uh, remove the assist lines, try to, okay, so group first. So let's capture this one. Okay, so I think it's connected. Okay, okay, so we use M because I think this is supposed to be one panel from right here. So just a minor adjustment. I use again 9. Uh, yeah, so again we need to adjust using M. So guys, use your right. Okay, you always use your right image as reference. So again, for this one, this should be one panel only. Okay, so 9. Okay, like so. We'll connect our panels. So don't mind the small issues. Okay, so since this is a training, group and then use F4. So let's see if these two panels will merge. Okay, so basically that is it, guys. So just use our assist line and yeah, so basically that's it. Thank you.